Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Have you been avoiding me?
Hey? Oh, no, we've had a bit of trouble with our Belle. Just discovered she's a teenager.
Sounds like you, Mum.
Right, well, I owe you an apology. I'm sorry if I had you worried. Both of you. And I should have let you know I was all right, but I didn't have my phone with me.
Ah, no harm done. But, you know, you should watch your step.
She won't listen.
I will listen, but I can't look after myself, so you don't need to worry so much. Now, you can stick a smile on your face. It's the 1st of January. You have to be optimistic. It's the law. Mwah. Tell him, Zach.
I'll keep an eye on her, Ken.
Yeah? Like you did yesterday.
What do you mean?
You spent the night here.